So just with this only one video, we were able to by the same time reach the 1000 subscribers required for the monetization and the 4K watch hours. In one of my recent videos, this one right here, I share with you how I was able to monetize my new YouTube channel in 6 days just with only one video. And which video? This same video. In addition, I share with you exactly the kind of video I made, how I made it, so that you also can replicate the same thing and having the same result. But what I didn't share with you was how I was able to hit 1000 subscribers with only one video, the secret behind that viral video, and how you can apply it to any niche. When I say any niche you are in. Alright, so before we go too far, you really need to hear this because it will change your perception about subscribers, and you will see how it's very easy to reach. Alright, so people keep chasing 1000 subscribers as if it's a magical number, but here is the truth. 1000 subscribers is not a goal, it's a result. Let me explain. On average, only about 1 to 5% of your viewers actually subscribes. That simple means if you have 100 views on one of your videos, this could probably bring 1 to 5 subscribers. So if you have 1000 views on one of your videos, this one also could probably bring 10 to 50 subscribers. So to hit 1000 subscribers, you need roughly 20,000 to 50,000 views depending on your call to action. So stop stressing yourself about subscribers. Focus on making videos that people really want to watch, because once the views start coming in, the subscriber will follow automatically. So now that you understand the real game is views, not just subscriber count, let's take it one step further. Because if you want views, you need right content. So in this video, I'm going to give you 15 viral video ideas that work for any niche. I say what? Any niche. Whether you are in finance, fashion, fitness, comedy, or faceless content, these secret ideas are proven to get attention and most importantly, get views. So let's jump right in. Story from idea number 1. How to Y without X. Here, X can be something common or expected that people always search for on YouTube. And Y is something that's very important to achieve a goal. For example, if X is cheese and you are making a pizza, cheese is considered essential because it's the basic ingredient for pizza. So in that case, our video topic will be how to make pizza without cheese. And these video ideas literally work in every niche. For example, how to make money from YouTube without investment, how to get monetized without showing your face, how to beat Minecraft without meaning, how to lose weight without dieting. All these videos follow the same pattern, how to Y without X. Idea number 2. Things I wish I knew before. For example, 7 things I wish I knew before waking up early. 10 things I wanted to know when I started clubbing. 20 things I wish I knew before playing Scream. 5 things beginners should know in the new era of art. 5 things I wish I had known before studying YouTube. So as you can see, this is very versatile ideas that can be applied in almost every niche. And the core emotion behind this format is fear of future regret. It triggers a feeling that makes viewers click because they don't want to miss out or make the same mistakes. Idea number 3. I did X for 30 days. Here, X can be anything, any activity that's relevant to your niche. Examples: I quit sugar for 30 days. I tried posting YouTube videos for 30 days. I tried selling on Fiverr for 30 days. I did nothing for 30 days. Why is the format so popular? Because people love seeing results from experience or challenges, whether it's a long-term test or short-term commitment. And if 30 days feel like too much, we can scale it down to something like I did X for 24 hours, which is the idea number 4. Example: I tried Apple versus Samsung for 24 hours. I watched YouTube Shorts for 24 hours. I played Fortnite for 24 hours. You can also turn it into a challenge format. Idea number 5. Listicles. This is a type of video where you present your content as a list, simple, structured, and highly engaging. For example, the video you are watching right now is also a listicle because I'm presenting all the video ideas one by one as a list. That's what makes it a listicle. And similarly, videos like top 5, top 10, or top 15 also fall into this category. The best part about listicle videos is that their structure is very simple, which makes writing a script much easier. Idea number 6. watch this before. Examples: watch this before buying a laptop, watch this before starting dropshipping, watch this before starting a YouTube channel, watch this before wearing your first sweater this winter. The core idea is that the farmer is creating a sense of urgency or warning. When viewers read the title, they feel like the creator is going to share something important or something they should be aware of. That's what triggers the click. Idea number 7: the dark side of X. Here, X could be a popular product, service, trend, person, or anything related to your niche. Your job is to expose the dark side of it, the hidden truth, downsides, dangers, or potential harm it might cause. Examples: the dark side of hip-hop industry, the dark side of YouTube short, the dark side of stock market. This type of video triggers curiosity and concern. People want to know what they are not being told. Idea number 8: common mistakes. This idea works across every niche and is highly relatable. Example: 5 common mistakes beginners make in chess. Top 10 most common mistakes new YouTubers make. The most common mistake people ignore in life. 7 most common mistakes in public speaking. Common driving test mistake you should avoid. People love the former because it helps them avoid failure, and no one wants to feel like a beginner making dumb mistakes. Idea number 9: free resources videos. In this format, you share free tools, websites, or resources that are helpful and valuable to your audience. Example: 15 free websites everyone should know in 2025. 10 free data set for your next AI project. Top 15 incredible free Minecraft plugins. Free templates for YouTubers, writers, designers, and more. The key is everything must be free and genuinely helpful. This video get a lot of love, share, and saves. Idea number 10: superlative videos. This means using extreme or standout descriptive words that highlight something at the highest level of quality. Examples: the tallest building in the world, the strongest chess opening for beginners, the most dangerous roads in Africa, the biggest YouTube mistake, the shortest horror stories ever told. This type of video perform well because people are drawn to the most, the best, the worst. They spark curiosity instantly. Words like biggest, weirdest, smallest, or craziest, these are all superlatives. And when you create video ideas that use this kind of word in your title, your video becomes instantly more clickable. For example, let's say your title is "I made a pizza." That's boring, no one clicks. But if you add superlative, it becomes "I made the world's biggest pizza." That's 100 times more clickable. More examples: I tested the cheapest gadget on the internet. I tried the weirdest hobbies in the world. I built the smallest Minecraft base inside the tallest mountain in India. I visited the wettest place on earth. I attempted the highest water jump ever. All these titles use superlatives, and those words play a huge role in grabbing attention. Idea number 11: everything you need to know. As the name suggests, these videos are like crash courses or ultimate guides. Examples: everything you need to know about getting a passport, everything you need to know before adopting a cat, everything you need to know about swords in Minecraft. This format works great for beginners in any niche because it makes them feel fully prepared. Idea number 12: doing X but Y. Here, X is any usual activity or task, but the twist is you add a surprising reason or context to it to make the idea clickable. For example, beating Minecraft, very common, but now the tweet comes with the next line. Idea number 13: I tried X so you don't have to. For example, I tried every AI glasses that don't need lenses, or I visited every highly rated cafe in Madrid so you don't have to, or I tried 50 keyboard classes so you don't have to. In this format, you try something challenging so your viewers don't have to. That is it. Idea number 14: first thing to do. If a person is doing something for the first time, you can tell them what to do initially. For example, 7 things to do after arriving in Australia. First 10 things to do before buying a Mac. The last video ideas on our list is story time. In this type of video, you can show or share any interesting incident or story from your life with your audience. It could be something funny, shocking, emotional, or even educational. For example, a video where the creator explains how the entire college found out about their YouTube channel. A video where the creator shares how they spend their first earnings from YouTube. Storytime videos perform so well because they create a sense of emotional connection. They give viewers the feeling that they found a real friend in the creator. That atmosphere or intensity and connection builds not just the channel but a loyal subscriber base.